Check this out, guys. In the past 3 days, I was able to make a couple $100 on Digistore24 using the simple affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to show you in today's video. As you can see right here, the first day I made over $80 with it. Then yesterday, just a little bit more, over $50. Today, I was already able to make over $100 just by doing this. And it's going to take you like 1 hour to set up. And then all you have to do is just wait for it to make you money on complete autopilot. Now, this is going to require zero skill, zero previous experience with affiliate marketing. All you need to do to make this work for yourself is just your laptop, internet connection, and some time spent watching this video and then actually setting this up. Because the most important part and one of the reasons why these methods do not work for many people out there is they are not doing them. They will just watch the video and decide if they want to do the method or not. And if you're not going to set it up, it's not going to be making you any money. So just make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, then just set up this method yourself, because it's one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money online. And as a bonus part, it's completely free. But before we get started, just make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also go ahead and comment down below something to help me with the YouTube algorithm so I can get these money making videos to as many people as possible. So first of all, what you want to do is go to your favorite affiliate marketplace. For this method, I'm going to be using Digistore24 because I've been testing this method with products from Digistore24 and it has worked very well. So I'm just going to show you how to do it on Digistore, but you can use any other affiliate marketplace for this. You can use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate marketplace that you may want to use. But if you're going to be using Digistore and don't have an account yet, you want to sign up for one. Click on this register now button, select your public username, put in your best email and choose a strong password. Then just check this box where it says you will be mainly promoting products of other providers, and then just go through this B2B contract and privacy policy, read them and agree to them, and click on continue. Then just fill in a bunch of your personal information, sign up for your account, and once you do that, you want to just log right into it. And once you get into your account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace and you want to go into the love, dating and relationship section. You can do this literally for any product out there, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the exact same product that I've been using to test this method, and it has worked for me very well. And if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can see it's not on the first side, it's on the second side of this section, and it's this one right here that's called 101 Conversational Strategies for Dating and Romance. Dating and relationships is one of the best selling niches out there, along with weight loss and finance. So if you're going to set up this method correctly, you will have very easy time promoting such product, and that's why I highly recommend forgoing one of these niches if you're going to be doing this method. Pretty much what you want to do is grab your affiliate link, which I already have here, but if you're going to be promoting this offer for the first time, you will have this promote now button. All you need to do is just click on promote now and you will get your affiliate link displayed. All you want to do then is just copy it and save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later, for example into like a notepad or something, or you can just leave Digistore24 open and you can grab it when it's going to be ready, and you can come and grab it when you're going to need it. Now for the next step, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for something that has to do with the product that you have chosen. So for example, I'm promoting dating and relationships products, so I'm just going to search for something like how to get better at dating. Search Google for that, and what you want to do is find some website that's going to have a valuable article that's going to be providing value first. And if you're going to check out through all of these, for example, one of the best top quality articles I'm always finding on medium.com, so I'm just going to do that for this method just as well. Just open this article up, and as you can see, its title is 6 ways to drastically improve your dating skills. Pretty much if you're going to skim through this article, it's going to be like a short overview how to get better at dating and relationships. And as you can see right here down at the bottom of the article, you can find an affiliate link. This is exactly how some people are using Medium to promote affiliate links. If you're going to click on it, you can see you will be taken to some sale. You can see you will be taken to some page where you can purchase something like coaching or some dating product. Now because I'm going to show you a completely different way how to make money with affiliate marketing without using medium.com. Actually, we are going to be using it, but just for this article, but you don't want to be stealing it right away. Okay, what you want to do is go to Google Docs. You want to click on Google Docs and you want to create a blank document from scratch. Just click on that, and pretty much what you want to do is create a PDF packed with value first. For that, we are going to be using this article right here. So what I'm going to do is just pretty much copy this entire article just like that. I'm just going to copy it. Then you want to go to this website right here that's called Spinbot.com. go to Spinbot, and if you're going to paste the text in here, you can see you get 10,000 characters for free that you can use to completely overwrite the text, so you will stay away from stealing it. You're going to create your own version. Pretty much what you want to do is just click on basic spin, and in a couple of seconds Spinbot is going to rewrite this article into something else, which is going to be pretty much the same thing content wise, but it's going to use completely different phrasing. Then once this article is going to be rewritten by Spinbot, what you want to do is just pretty much copy it, go to Google Docs and paste it in there. It's going to be a couple pages long, as you can see right here, but it's completely okay, because that means you're going to be creating something of value, and the more value you're going to provide first, the higher the chances you're going to make a sale. Then what you want to do is go back to the original article. So I'm just going to copy this title right here, go to my Google Doc and paste it in there. Then what you want to do is edit this text a little bit. You don't want it to be just willy-nilly just like this. You want to actually make it look nice, like a solid PDF document that's going to be helping people to improve their dating skills. So what I'm going to do is change this title. I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller, position it in the middle just like this, underscore it for good measure. And as you can see right here on Medium, this article also has an image. So what I'm going to do is go to pexels.com and I'm going to search for an image of relationship. I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to grab a stock image that's completely copyright free that I can use in my PDF document. So for example, let's go with this one right here. Just download it and just upload it to my Google document using this image button up here. Then also seeing how this is going to look like, I'm going to make this title a little bit different, just like that. Then I'm going to edit this text. So what I'm going to do is, for example, make some parts of this article bold, so they are going to stand out a little bit better to the reader's eye. And let's try making each sentence at the paragraph beginning bolder, so it's going to mark like a different chapters of this article, just like that. And you want to go through this entire article and make the first sentence of each paragraph bold, something like this. Then pretty much just scroll all the way up, and somewhere at the beginning between these paragraphs you want to add a sentence that's going to be something like, learn the best 101 conversational strategies for dating and romance here. Pretty much what I did, went back to the Digistore 24 offer, copied the title and pasted it into my document. Then what I'm going to do is select this entire sentence and pretty much make it a little bit larger, for example like this. And now comes the important part. What you want to do is select this entire sentence and go to this link button up here. You just want to click on insert a link, and this is the part where you want to insert your affiliate link from Digistore 24. Just copy it one more time, paste it in there, click on apply, and it's going to be embedded into this PDF document that we are going to create. What you want to do then is just go ahead and copy this entire sentence, and you want to paste it into different parts of this article. So pretty much after every couple of the paragraphs you want to paste this exact same sentence. That's going to take whoever's going to click on it to the sales page through your affiliate link, and that way if they are going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Once you fill this document with this line embedded with your affiliate link, what you want to do is go up here into the file section and click on download, and download this as a PDF document. And once you open it up, it's going to look something like this. It's going to be a PDF document filled with valuable information about how to improve dating skills, and right there is going to be this button that's going to take whoever is going to click on it to the sales page. And once they are going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission. What you want to do now is just make sure you're going to drive the most amount of traffic that's going to be interested in improving their dating skills to this document, so you can get most amount of relevant buyers traffic to your affiliate link. And what you want to do for that is go to slideshare.net. Just go to Slideshare, sign up for your free account, and what you want to do is upload this PDF to Slideshare, just like that, and pretty much you want to fill in rest of these fields. For the description, I'm going with something like pretty much the exact same sentence that I used to embed with the affiliate link, and then I just added this part to improve your dating skills. You want to make this seem like a genuine description. You can pretty much create a description up to 3,000 characters, but something very short and precise like this is going to work very well. Then what you want to do is go to this category, and you want to pick a category of the document. Then what you want to do is go to this category, and you want to pick a category relating to the niche, to the document that you have created. Because dating and relationships are in self-improvement niche, I'm just going to select that one. And also for the tags, I'm going to add a bunch of hashtags relating to the niche. So for example, something like dating, relationships, self-improvement, dating skills, conversation skills, or pretty much anything that's relating to the niche, and you can use pretty much up to 20 keywords. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on publish, and this PDF is going to be published to Slideshare, and right here you will get your URL. what you want to do with that is just copy it, because now I'm going to show you a simple traffic hack, completely free traffic hack that you can use to greatly boost the traffic to this PDF document, and that way improve your chance of making a sale. So to do that, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Index Kings. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called indexkings.com, and what you can see here, this website is going to completely for free create backlinks for the link that you will post there. Pretty much it's going to submit your URL to various statistics sites. It's using over 15,000 sites, which is going to greatly improve the rankings of your document on Google search. So every time somebody is going to search for ways to drastically improve their rating skills, there is higher chance they're going to stumble upon your PDF document. And it's a very simple process. All you need to do is go down here and you want to paste the link that you got from Slideshare in here, and you want to make sure you're going to check these complex URL deep links, because that way it's going to create backlinks for this entire link, not just this first domain part. And pretty much you don't want to be driving traffic to slideshare.net, you want to be driving traffic to slideshare.net and exactly to your PDF document. So once you paste your link in there, make sure to click the complex URLs and then just click on Rapid Index, and as you can see right here in the real time, it's going to show you that it's submitting this to different ranking sites. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds up to a couple of minutes to rank it on most amount of sites possible, so make sure you're going to let Index Kings run this entire process, because that way you will get the highest chance of your document being found by Google search by somebody who's going to search for dating skills improvement, and that way every time somebody is going to make a purchase through your affiliate link, you're going to get paid. So you can go ahead and make a couple of $100s with this affiliate marketing strategy completely for free. But if you want to learn how to make a lot more money online with affiliate marketing, and you want to learn the exact same strategy that I'm using myself to make around $6,000 per month without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and still get results just like this, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you. Other than that, to see more free money making methods that you can try right now and start making some money today, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.